Hi there. Let me show you some of the great things we can do with the Azure MCP. List all of the resource groups in my Azure subscription. Okay, fantastic. Now, list the resources in the Zava Photos 4 resource group that are tagged development. Fantastic. All right. Now, list all the storage accounts in my subscription. All right, and give me the details for the Flask File Store 01 storage account. All right, there we go. So you've seen a few examples of the things you can do with the Azure MCP. Give it a try and let us know how it works for you. Thank you.